Good morning, fellow hunters. It's Mike here. It's about 6:15. I'm on my way to a boxer shot about just over a week ago, and got to get the numbers down. Man, they're everywhere. I've shot over 120 odd in the last 12 months. You know, and from this one ground feeder, and they still in the woods. When the head foresters spoke to me the other day, he said when they were doing milling at the very top, I'll show you where the logs are, where they were doing a bit milling there, and they said they could hear them up in the top woods by the fort. And I said, man, I'm knocking the numbers down, you know. Well, but the trouble is, it's a bloody great forest. Government statistics say that for every acre of forest, there's a minimum of 20 squirrels per acre. So it's basically 20 plus, isn't it? And it's proven, it really is. You know, it's not the squirrels shooting from boxes. Last year from another box up in Perrystone, I shot about 140 from one box from the black hide. And anyway, I'm using today my CZ 22LR and my ATN 4K Pro. Reason why I'm using my 22LR at the moment, doesn't got a bigger bang as my 17H more, my 22 Magnum. It's pheasant season at the moment, and the head keeper is, well, don't want the squirrels to be not squirrels, bloody hell, it's early in the morning, the pheasants to be disturbed. I don't blame them at the end of the day. Anyway guys, I'm going to pause this tape and I'll come back to you when I'm in the area. Here we are guys, back again. I had to stop off and get some feed to do the boxes later on, so time is now about 7 o'clock. Still raining. The trouble is the squirrels, they come out to feed in the wet, but they don't hang around. They come out, get some food, and then they go back and get tucked up nice and warm. And oh, there's one there over there, look. Oh, there we go. Yeah, if I can get up this track. Sliders. Yeah, that's the old hill foot there in front of us. Right guys, I'm here. I'll get back to you when I get set up. Nice one. I just shot my metal disc to check the zero. Sorry about the rattling, it's the rain on the hide. It was pouring down. It flew off for about 10 yards and stopped and died. Hi guys and ladies, I've only got two at the moment. I missed one. Don't know how. Oh well. Weather conditions. Oh man. As you can hear, it's raining. And hopefully it's going to get better. Hopefully. So I'll pause this tape, lads, and I'll come back to you. See you later. Well, guys and girls, and it's only for today. The weather's been absolutely crap, as you can say. And it's stopped raining now, but it's been raining for the most of the morning. Got here about 7. It's now 11 o'clock, and only got 4. So mediocre morning. I'm happy. 4 less. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Faith walking family, and stay safe. This is Mike here, back again. Just a quick update. I thought I had 3, and I thought I missed one. And so when I went up and collected them and police in the area, I found them. And so that was 4. That's why it explains the 4 on the mugshot, as you can say. And the other thing, I want to give a quick update on the fishing side of it. I've got a new engine coming, and it's a 12 horsepower for a 3.3 meter slip, and I'm going to be using that one. Basically, it's a lot more safer. It's the same make, but yeah, it's a lot more. It's a twin cylinder, and so hopefully, in the channel I fish in, the Bristol Channel, the currents are treacherous, so I need something a bit more powerful, really. So there will be videos coming up, and especially all the way through the summer months, on the fishing side of it. I'm going to be going out there as often as possible. I've got to admit, my missus said, why have you bought this smoker, you know, to smoke the fish, and you're not catching fish? Well, never mind. I will, and I'll show you when I use it as well, what I do. Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna try and reverse out of this mud. God, I'm sliding all over the bloody place. I'll come back to you on another film. I'm going to be doing another one either towards the end of this week or the beginning of next week, and back up the other plantation, and hopefully we'll have a few more as well. Anyway, guys, take care, and if I don't see you in the week, have a nice weekend. Be safe, Faith Walking family.